Class 9 children, today we will learn a new chapter, linear equations graphically. It is exercise 20C and we have a question here. So this particular equation, you can see we have done such type of equations earlier, but we have done with the help of elimination method. But today we will solve the same type of equation with the help of graph paper. So let us begin. Question number 1, we have 3y minus 2x equal to 7. And second equation we have 5x plus 3y equal to minus 7. So solve means we will find the value of this x and y with the help of graph. So here first I take from equation 1 the same equation I write here. 3y minus 2x equal to 7. Now I will target now either to make x variable alone or y variable alone. But I can see here x variable is in negative form, that is minus, and y variable is positive. So I will try to make y variable alone here because this is in minus. So what I will do, I will push this minus 2x from left side to the right side, it will become plus 2x. So 7 plus 2x. And if I remove 3 from here, y, then this 3 will come and divide here. It is 7 plus 2x by 3. So now you can see here I have made one box. Like here I wrote x and y, and then 3 boxes I have left for putting the values. So in total I made 4 boxes. But first position I gave for x and y variable. Now what we will do, I will try to put the value of x from my own part, and then I will get the value of y automatically. So for this I will write this equation in the rough. So same equation I will now write in the rough. Now here you can see y equal to 7 plus 2x by 3. So same equation I wrote here in the rough. Now I will put the value of x starting from 0, then next 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, and so on. So that way we will put. So first in this equation I will put the value of x as 0. So I have put the value of x as 0. Then you can see 2 into 0 is 0. And 7 plus 0 will be 7. 7 by 3. As this 7 cannot be divided by 3, so I will not take this particular part. That means I will not take the value of x as 0. So 0 was not successful. Why? Because I could not divide the fraction. Now I will take 1. So here same equation I wrote here in the rough, y equal to 7 plus 2x by 3. Same equation. But now in place of x I will write 1. So now I will have 7 plus 2 ones are 2. That means 7 plus 2 will be 9. And 9 by 3 I can divide. So I can say 9 by 3 is 3. 3 3s are 9. So now I can say this was successful. So my value of x is 1, and the last value which I got is the value of y. So this 1 and 3 I will put here in the box. 1 is the value of x and 3 I got the value of y. That is 3. Next, if I take minus 1, same kind of thing will happen. That will be, it will be not successful, because if I put minus 1 here, here I will get minus 1, and 2 ones are 2, but plus into minus minus. So minus 2, and 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 by 3 you know we cannot divide 5 with 3. So next I am taking now 2, and 2 also was not successful. That's why you can see in my rough I have taken minus 2. So by taking minus 2 it was successful. So you can see 2 2s are minus 4, because 7 minus 4 plus into minus is minus. 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So I can say value of x is minus 2, value of y is 1. So minus 2 1. So that value I put here. Again I will move forward. Next I will put the value of x as 3 and minus 3, and that way I think it was not successful. Same kind of problem came. So I have put the value of 4. You can check from your part also. So now I have put the value as 4. Now value of x is 4, 2 4s are 8, 7 plus 8 is 15, 15 by 3 is 3 5s are 15. So value of x is 4, value of y is 5. So 4 5. So here I write 4 and 5. Now this particular box I will plot in the graph paper. So first of all I will again complete equation 2 also. So equation 2 we have 5x plus 3y equal to minus 7. So from equation 2 same thing I wrote. This time you can see y is in positive form and even x also is in positive form. So this time I have planned to make x variable alone on the left side. So I am pushing this plus 3y that side. I got minus 3y. So now I have minus 7 minus 3y, and x equal to 5 will come and divide minus 7 minus 3y by 5. So now what will happen? I will put the value of y and get the value of x. Earlier what happened? I have put the value of x, then I got y, but now I will put the value of y and then I will get the value of x. That means here now in the rough I will write the same equation, x equal to minus 7 minus 3y equal to 5. So same equation I wrote here, x equal to minus 7 minus 3y equal to 5. Now I will put the value of y as 0, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5, 6, minus 6 and so on. So now in this equation I will start with 0. So I have put the value of y as 0. Now 3 into 0 will be minus 0. Minus 7 minus 0 is minus 7 by 5. So you can see it is not successful because I cannot divide minus 7 with 5. So I will not do this. Now I will take 1. So here in 1 it was successful. You can see I have put the value of y as 1. So minus 3 into 1 minus 3. 3 1s are 3 minus 3. Minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. Minus 10 by 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 2. So now I can say value of y is 1 and value of x is minus 2. 1 and 2. But 1 is the value of y and minus 2 is the value of x. So I will write here 1 and then minus 2 on the top. Next you can see directly I have taken 6 here in the rough. That means value of minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4, 5, minus 5. All these numbers were not successful, just like 0. So that's why I was bound to take 6. But I tried all the number, it was not successful. So by putting 6 it was successful. So here minus 3 into 6 minus 18. Minus 18 minus 7 minus 25. 5 5s are 25. So value of y is 6. Value of x is minus 5. 6 will be in y and minus 5 will be in x. So you can see 6 is in y and minus 5 is in x. Similarly, I have taken so many numbers. At the end 11 was successful. So I took 11 and you can see minus 8 has come. So value of y is 11 and value of x is minus 8. So that I have put 11 and minus 8. Now I will plot these boxes on the graph. First I will begin from here. So 1, 3 I will plot. But for that what I have to do, I have to make y axis and x axis. One small mistake I have made. Here I have to write y and here I have to write y dash, and here I have to write x and here I have to write x dash. So after doing this, what will happen? We will make y axis and x axis, and here you can see the positive value of x is highest is 4 and negative value is minus 8. So the same thing in the positive part I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1 extra 5, and in negative I wrote up to minus 8 because here you can see x value highest is minus 8 and 4, and in y column the positive value highest is 11 and negative is not there. So negative part you can just write minus 1 and 2 and then but positive part till 11 you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. This is positive part of y and this is negative part of y, and this is positive part of x, this is negative part of x. So that way now I am plotting. First I took 1 3, so you can see 1 is here. First value actually belongs to x. This is 1 and 3 is here, so 1 and 3 will meet here, 1 here and 3 here, so both of them it will go up and it will come here. So 1 3. Next is minus 2 1. You can see minus 2 is here and 1 is here, so minus 2 and 1 is here, both of them will meet here. Next one is 4 5. So you can see 4 is here and 5 is here, 5 will go this side and 4 will go this side and they will meet here. And now I will join these 3 points. So when I joined, a long line came and I have put arrow here, here and here, because this line has no end. It will go up and it will come down, and this is the straight line formed. Now I will plot this box also, minus 2 1. So you can see minus 2 1, minus 2 and 1 already plotted in equation 1. Sorry, from here only minus 2 and 1, minus 2 1, same thing already plotted, so no need. Next is minus 5 6. You can see minus 5 is here and sorry, minus 5 and 6, that means minus 5 is here and positive 6 is here. So 6 will go here and 5 will go here, 5 and 6, minus 5, sorry, minus 5 and 6. Last one is minus 8 11. So minus 8 is here and 11 is here, so 11 will come here and 8 will go up. This is minus 8 11. Now I will join this one and this one is already there. So if I join these 3 lines, so it will go up and it will come down and I'll put arrow. So now you can see where did the line intersect. Both the line intersected at minus 2 comma 1. This is our answer. So now the required solution will be x equal to minus 2, y equal to 1. How? Because here the first value is minus 2, this is the value of x. Second value is 1, this is the value of y. So solve graphically means x equal to minus 2 1. You can also see minus 2 1, minus 2 1 is common in both the box. So that is our answer, and they intersect also. So based on this knowledge, you can do other graph questions also. Thank you, children.